continued. So what I was saying was, you got these the lizards that change color with what they sit on, right? So I feel like too, I often heard that they are good luck, and they eyes, if I'm not mistaken, move about, so they see everything, right? But even in their blind spots, they have intuition. And I feel like with these unicorns, the crab, the turtles, the lizards, I feel like, and I'm seeing seashells, and I'm seeing water, and I'm feeling like dragon energy. This is the year of the dragon, you guys. Like, share, subscribe, comment down below. Let's talk about it.